presenting MISC variable electric breast pump. First take the valve and attach it to the T-junction. Then take the diaphragm. You will see the curve shape in a diaphragm and a point in a T-junction. You have to align the curve shape to the point of the T-junction and align this diaphragm properly to the T-junction. After that, take the milk cup and see the 3 points at the bottom of the milk cup and put the 2 fingers in a T shape like this and align the eclipse shape and the 3 points present at the milk cup properly. You have to keep in mind both the points and alignment should have to be proper. Then only milk will gonna produce, that only the pump will gonna motor will gonna pump the milk. So this is the very important part, that you should fix this T-junction properly to the eclipse shape and to the bottom. See how I have attached it at the bottom. See, the alignment should have to be very proper at the bottom and at the eclipse shape. Then take the flange. See the open part, you have to place the open part to this and you have to attach the flange properly. Once it's done, hold the motor, put it over here and slide it upward direction. The logo part should have to be at that side. Yes, you have to slide it upward. Press the power button to switch it on. Press the mode button to change the modes and to check it is aligned properly or not. See how the diaphragm is getting up and down. This will make pressure on your breast and the milk will gonna pump out. So you have to if you have to check it is aligned properly or not, so you, by removing flange, you can check it. Press the minus button to decrease the frequency levels. Mode buttons to switch between the modes. Press the plus button to increase the frequency and press the power button to switch it off. Only use 5-volt adapter with this cable to charge the motor.